Hello, this is Greg Maxwell with Amicus Settlement Planners. Today we're going to talk very briefly about lien resolution. If you're a plaintiff attorney, you know very well that resolving liens is part of your practice, whether you like it or not. As an overview, as you well know, you have an obligation to handle the subrogation interests and liens that may exist in a case of yours prior to dispersing the settlement funds to your client. Lien resolution involves opening the case with the lien holder, requesting the conditional payment amount if you're dealing with Medicare, or the lien amount if it's a private insurer, reviewing those charges to make sure that they're all relevant, finding any unrelated charges and requesting that they be removed, negotiating a reduction amount, and then, of course, obtaining a final lien amount and ultimately satisfying the lien. Options in order to handle the lien resolution. Most attorneys, I don't know if it's most anymore, but a lot of attorneys will just handle the lien resolution internally. Some offices have a specific person in their office that handles the liens and negotiates on behalf of their clients. That's certainly an option. Something that's becoming more and more popular is simply outsourcing the lien resolution to a specialized third-party service provider that can negotiate the liens on your client's behalf so that you're not spending your time and resources doing that. Just to talk a little bit about the outsourcing option, some of the advantages of outsourcing your lien resolution is that some of these lien resolution companies are very good. They've spent time working for the other side. They know the tricks. They know where the bones are buried. They know how to get the best lien reductions for your clients just because of their experience. So oftentimes they get better results than maybe you or your staff would be able to get. Another reason is it's often very time-consuming, and most attorneys don't necessarily want to be spending their time resolving liens once they've settled a case. It can also be very highly technical and challenging. And just so you know, there is a Utah Ethics Advisory opinion that's directly on point. I believe it's a 2014 Ethics Advisory opinion that states that a lien resolution fee, or the fee that is charged by a lien resolution company, can be charged to the file as a case expense, and that's completely ethical and above board. So if it's not something that you enjoy doing or want to spend your time doing, outsourcing it to a lien resolution firm that specializes in it is an option for you, and you can then charge that as a case expense. So if you have questions about it, if you've got a lien that's bothering you, whether it's an ERISA lien or a Medicare lien or Medicaid lien or a private health insurer lien, whatever it might be, give us a call. We don't do that internally, but we have relationships with various lien resolution firms that, depending on the type of lien you're working with, we can make an introduction and you can check them out for yourselves and see if it's something that works for you and your firm.